Canceling your Constant Contact subscription involves a few key steps. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the Account and Billing section, usually found in the Settings menu. Then, select Subscription and look for an option to cancel plan. You'll be prompted to confirm your reason for cancellation. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation email, and your access will continue until the end of your current billing cycle. Make sure to verify your account ownership via email or two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized cancellations. Remember, as of December 2025, Constant Contact no longer prorates cancellations, so you'll retain access until the end of the paid period. Any unpaid charges, like those for add-ons, will be billed immediately upon cancellation. Before canceling, it's crucial to understand the billing implications and manage your data. Billing stops at the end of your current billing cycle, but you're responsible for any overages. Refunds are generally rare, unless you're within a trial period or there were service errors. Most importantly, export your data. This includes your contacts, campaign histories, and analytics. Go to the Contacts or Reports tabs to download this information in CSV or JSON formats. According to GDPR and CCPA updates, you have the right to data portability. Constant Contact retains your data for 30 days post-cancellation for recovery purposes, after which it's permanently deleted. Export your data within this window to ensure you comply with data privacy regulations and don't lose valuable information.